But when we go into deeper level, what we understand is God is everywhere, not only in temple. Your heart must be wide. Then we can see God everywhere. That's why they feel everything belongs to God. Okay, everything has power. So that's why they pray for that. Even for stone or a river, whatever they say, they feel because because it is when we go into deeper level, we understand this. But some people can't understand this. They can see only God in the temple only. They can't see God outside of the temple. They have some limitations. In the limitations only they can see God. But when we go into deeper level, what we understand is God is everywhere, not only in temple. Your heart must be wide. Then we can see God everywhere.
Yes.
Because it is created by God. It is created by God. So we don't have that much of capacity. That's why we see God only. We can see God only in particular place, that is temple.
No, people want to go to temple because their atmosphere is different.
Yes. Yeah. Because those who go, really it's true. It's true. When we go to temple, immediately we get some peace of mind.
Yes.
It's true. Yes, it's true. Why it happens means all the people, those who go to temple, in the temple they release positive thoughts.
Yes.
At the temple, people don't want to talk about other things. They want to talk about only for good things. That's why at the temple, positive atmosphere is created by these good thoughts. That's why whenever we go there, we will also feel when we go to temple. Okay, we should not talk about bad things here because now we are before God. We are in temple. Immediately we release positive thoughts. That's why whenever we go to temple, because of that atmosphere, we get peace of mind.
Yes.
Yeah. There are no negative thoughts in the temple.
What you should accept? We should accept God is everywhere.
Yes. God is everywhere actually, but after we get we should understand clearly each and everything. Then only we should accept it. Until we can't accept it, we can see only at a particular place in temple or some other places. We can't see God outside. Then that state of mind is different. It is we should go into deeper level. Then we understand. Okay, it is created by God. God is everywhere. God is in me and everywhere. But we don't because of our that means we don't have that much of knowledge or power to understand that. Even we understand that, we can't feel that God is everywhere.
Yes.
It's difficult. We understand God is everywhere, but we can't feel God everywhere.
Yes. Today, after performing this puja at river, people went to Radha Krishna temple. They were performing some puja.
Yeah.
After 6 a.m., 7 a.m., our celebration already completed.
Okay.
And today people take some veg food, pure veg food, and also I have today I take some veg food due to Purnima, because Purnima.
Okay.
At Purnima, I usually take veg food. Veg it means veg without onion, garlic. Pure veg food. 20 years ago, I uh, felt a pain on my leg. Time my grandfather said it is like Bato. Do you know Bato?
I don't know.
Bato means Bato, Pitta, Kapha. Do you know?
How many years old that time? What was your age?
I was at 18.
18. Okay. What happened to you that time?
At that time, I felt a pain on my leg.
Okay. What happened? Did you fall down or any accident? Or
Not accident. It's not fell down. I thought it was slightly. I could not understand what did it happen.
Okay.
But
What did your grandfather say to you about it?
I said to my grandfather, because my grandfather was a devotional person, and he had some knowledge about Ayurveda. So he
Okay.
said it's like Bata. So you take less food at Purnima and Amavasya.
Okay.
So every Purnima I take less food and veg food.
You
Yeah.
follow that. You follow that. That was told by your grandfather.
Yes. He said it is attraction of moon.
Okay.
We have some attraction of moon and earth. So we should take less food at Purnima and Amavasya.
It means that time our digestion system is not working properly.
Yes.
Means it affects on our body, part of the body. That means it affects on our body. That's why our part of our body maybe like digestion. Some people what happened? Some people behave like mad people at Amavasya and Paurnami. We don't know why it happens, happens, but it happens. Some people, mindset is changed at the time of Amavasya. They behave like mad people and shouting. They are disturbed. Some people are disturbed.
Astrology.
We don't know why it happens. what is the reason behind this? We don't
So
know properly.
astrology says moon
Not
and
only,
earth.
not only. So many people facing problems at the time of Amavasya. That means on their mind, some people mentally disturbed. Some people suffered some like fever and headache, suffering from fever and headache. Some people mentally disturbed or mentally disturbed. So it happens. That's why some people at the time of Amavasya they take less food. Some people don't take food. Totally, they avoid food on the day. They are fasting. They do fasting. As elder people's advice, they follow. Like your grandfather told you, okay, to take less food at the time of Amavasya. So there are some problems on the day. That's why people take less food. Some people perform puja on Amavasya. Now, you know one thing, I don't know whether it is true or not, but some people told me that in AP, in my state, Amavasya is a bad day. Okay. Paurnami is good for us. And people want to start anything, okay, they don't start on Amavasya, at the time of Amavasya. Okay, in my state, it is a bad day. People think that. But some people say that in Tamil Nadu, Amavasya is good day. They want to start their work at the time of Amavasya. We don't understand sometimes. It is different from AP. Okay, AP is different from Tamil Nadu. Why it happens, we don't know. But some people told me, I don't know actually whether it is true or not. Some people told me this, that Amavasya, that means people in Tamil Nadu feel that Amavasya is good day. But in AP, we feel that it is bad day.
Yes.
That's why we don't start any work at the time of Amavasya. Okay, today I am not going to any other place. Actually, I want to go to Hyderabad today. I postponed I cancelled it because of due to Amavasya. People in AP talking like this. So Amavasya is a bad day. Yeah, we feel. In Tamil Nadu, it's a good day. I don't know about it properly. Somebody told me. I didn't see. I didn't go to Tamil Nadu or Chennai. But in my AP, sometimes when the time comes, they talk about this matter like this.
But astrology says
many times I heard of it.
Astrology says moon and earth. There is
astrology or science? Astrology or science?
First, astrology says. After that, science told this.
Moon and earth. Moon and earth.
Moon and earth, there is attraction.
Okay.
So at Purnima, at Amavasya, this attraction is going high.
Yes, it's affected a little.
Our digestion system goes too slow. So we should take.
System is working slow.
Yes. So we should take less food. Astrology says.
Yes.
And there is a proof at Purnima and Amavasya at sea beach. Can feel wave of the water.
Sea level is increases.
Yes, sea level is increasing at 1.
We can see with our eyes the difference.
Yes, yes.
We can
So
see the difference.
I thought
All right.
it is a best proof.
Hmm. Yes, yes,
There is some magnetic power of moon and earth.
yes, yes. That's why it happens.
Yes, that's why it happens. I thought, but
Hmm. Already, it is proved.
yes.
It is proved. What science says? Do you know what science says on it?
No,
Science, that science accept it or not? You are telling that you are telling it is. You are telling it is told by spiritual astrology.
astrology, but science accepts.
Science accepts it or not? My
Yes,
doubt
yes,
is that okay, it is accepted by science.
yes.
Hmm. Mm. Yes. So it is proved. Because astrology, when we talk about astrology, okay, we can't show the proof.
We can't show the proof, but
But what science wants, science doesn't believe it. Okay, science always wants proof. That means science, those who follow science, they first what they ask, prove it, show me. I want to see with my eyes. They ask us. They ask. Astrology says, I can't show it to you. Okay.
but
what astrology says, we can see with our eyes some things on this earth, but we can't see some other things with our eyes. That's why we can't show astrology, but science may prove.
Astrology has a proper calculation. So astrology can say about Purnima and Amavasya and Chandragrahan, Surya Parag, everything. So astrology has proper calculation. Before science, we had astrology.
Yes, sir. It came before science. But what science wants? Proof.
Science wants a proof.
We see with our eyes.
There is air and wind in this earth, but now there is no proof. I can't show it.
No proof. No proof, actually. But that's why we believe God.
Yes.
That's why we believe God. It is the best example. It is the best example that we don't see air, but we are breathing and we take air and leave. Okay, each and every minute, this process is going on in our body.
Yes.
Whenever it stops, we die.